Exercise 6.1, question number 4. Find the value of k and b if the points p minus 3, 1 and q 2, b lie on the locus of x square minus 5x plus ky equal to 0. Given equation of locus. X square minus 5x plus ky equal to 0 is the equation of locus. On this equation, point P and point Q lie. So first let us consider P. P minus 3, 1 lie on the locus. Therefore, in the place of x and y, you can substitute this. So minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus k into 1 equal to 0. Squaring minus 3 square 9 minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15 plus k equal to 0. 9 plus 15 24 plus k equal to 0. Therefore k equal to minus 24. Next q. 2, b lie on the locus. So again substituting for x and y. 2 and b. 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus k. K நம்ம ஏற்கனவே கண்டுபிடிச்சனால k க்கு minus 24 into for y substitute b equal to 0. 2 square 4 minus 5 2s are 10 minus 24b equal to 0. 4 minus 10 minus 6 minus 24b equal to 0. Taking minus 6 right hand side. Minus 24b plus b equal to 6. So b equal to 6 divided by minus 24. Cancelling, you get minus 1 by 4. So b equal to minus 1 by 4. K equal to minus 24 and b equal to minus 1 by 4. Next question number 5. A straight rod of length 8 units slides with its ends A and B always on x and y axis respectively. Find the locus of midpoint of the line segment AB. Rod of length 8 units slides with its ends A and B always on x and y axis. So this is the straight rod. A is on x axis, B on y axis. அது நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. A on x axis, B on y axis. Since A is on x axis, இதோட y coordinate வந்து 0. So let us take this length as A. So A is A, 0 and taking this length OB as B. B is 0, B and this length AB is 8. Hello, we can take midpoint of the line segment as P. We want to find a locus of midpoint of line segment AB. So AB la midpoint எடுத்துக்கிறோம் P. Since we want to find locus of P, take the point P as H, K. AB equal to 8. A is A, 0. B 0, B. Let P, H, K be the midpoint. Now midpoint of AB equal to P. Using midpoint formula, AB midpoint கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So using midpoint formula, we get A plus 0 by 2, 0 plus B by 2 equal to H, K. This is A by 2, B by 2 equal to H, K, equating the corresponding coordinates. A by 2 equal to H. So cross multiplying A equal to 2H. B by 2 equal to K. Cross multiplying B equal to 2K. Now this straight rod, since it touches x and y axis, it forms a triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, A square plus B square equal to 8 square. So that is the equation we have. a square plus b square equal to 8 square. For a and b, substituting this value, 2h the whole square plus 2k the whole square equal to 64. Squaring 4h square plus 4k square equal to 64. Cancelling 4, we get h square plus k square equal to 16. Now h and k you can replace by x and y. So this gives x square plus y square equal to 16. Therefore, locus of midpoint of AB is x square plus y square equal to 16. Question number 6. Find the equation of locus of a point such that the sum of the square of the distance from the points 3, 5, 1, minus 1 is equal to 20. 2 points are given. Let us take it as A and B. A 3, 5, B 1, minus 1. Let P, H, K be the moving point. Question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Sum of the squares of the distance from the points. The P இந்த point உள்ள distance உடைய ஸ்கொயரும் P இந்த B point உள்ள square of the distance is equal to sum is 20 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. That is AP square plus BP square equal to 20. Sum of the square of the distance equal to 20. Now from distance formula, distance between A and P. AP square இருக்குனால square root போயிடும். So direct h minus 3 the whole square plus k minus 5 the whole square plus similarly BP square, distance between B and P. H minus 1 the whole square plus k minus of minus. So plus 1 the whole square equal to 20. Squaring and simplifying. This is h square minus 6h plus 9 plus k square minus 10k plus 25 plus h square minus 2h plus 1 plus k square plus 2k plus 1 equal to 20. H square plus h square 2h square plus k square plus k square 2k square minus 6h minus 2h minus 8h minus 10k plus 2k minus 8k. The 20 இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்துடலாம். 25 plus 1 plus 1 இங்க 9. 9 plus 25 34 35 36. 20 இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்தா minus 20 equal to 0. 2h square plus 2k square minus 8h minus 8k. 36 minus 20 is plus 16 equal to 0. 2 full common இருக்கிறதுனால dividing by 2. h square plus k square minus 4h minus 4k plus 8 equal to 0. Replacing h and k by x and y, we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, locus of the point P is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0.